Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix program can't start because D3 compiler underscore 43.dll is missing from your computer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are saying program can't start because D3 compiler is missing, then I'll show you a simple method how to fix this issue. For this, you have to download one application which is called DirectX. You have to just open any browser. In this, you have to search for DirectX. End user runtime. Hit enter. You can see DirectX end user runtime. It should be a Microsoft official website. Just select this first option. Scroll down. Select the language and click on download. It will be just of around 2 to 300 KB. After completion of this download, just click on that. Then click on I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Just uncheck this option. Then click on next. It will take some time. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix program can't start because D3 compiler underscore 43.dll is missing. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.